MMC, thank you for your time and good morning and Merry Christmas Eve to you. Thank you for spending it with us. So let's get into how, of course, the Cape Town beaches, I suppose, and festive hotspots are faring during this fourth wave. We are in this wave. We've been warned against, but how is the city faring?
Again, good morning, everybody, and same to you guys. Please also remember to always mask up and stay safe. I can say from an environmental health perspective, regular oversight visits are being conducted and by practitioners to establishments, and they have consistently reported a 98% compliance rate for the COVID-19 protocols. However, staff are still picking up and noticing an increase of non-adherence to wearing of masks and sanitizing in communities or public spaces. In recent weeks, from a law enforcement perspective, we have detected an increase in the number of fines issued for non-compliance of COVID-19 regulations, particularly in not wearing masks and people disregarding the curfew hours. We need to remind the public continuously that there is a midnight till 4 a.m. curfew in place, and anyone found on the roads at those hours without a permit or just cause to be out will be fined.
Right. Have there been any concerns of overcrowding MMC? I mean, we know that Cape Town is a destination, or at least one of the destinations of choice these festive holidays. But have you been dealing with any concerns whatsoever of overcrowding?
We have had a few concerns, especially at our beaches and some of our hotspots in Cape Town, but we have put a system in place where we have COVID-19 ambassadors that is roaming the streets and asking residents who are visiting and roaming the streets as well to politely put up the mask over the nose and make sure they keep safe.
Yeah. Looking at cases, though, and as well as, fatalities during this fourth wave, I mean, how would you say the province rather is looking? Any spike whatsoever in cases that are equally of concern?
Well, the indications related to the fourth wave remain positive. We have not yet reached our peak, which is why I urge residents again, and I will be saying it over and over, to please keep safe this festive season. The South African COVID-19 Modelling Consortium is further expecting fewer cases in the coming week. It should, however, not be noted that public holidays and restricted testing could affect the testing results or the testing for this coming week. Hospital admissions are increasing, but deaths remain low, to a low percentage of 2 per week in the Western Cape. COVID-19 infections are still increasing, though at a slower rate. We must thus remain vigilant and prevent the spread of the virus through the life-saving behaviors that we have learned throughout the pandemic.
Right. So, MMC, in addition to that, take me through this, a campaign that you're currently implementing in ensuring that young beachgoers are kept safe.
I'm very excited about this campaign because people and parents, caregivers are buying into it. So the Identity Kits has started in 2016, which was a good initiative to start back then. We have, however, gone down in numbers due to COVID regulations and, restrictions of not going to our beaches. So with the initiative by the City of Cape Town, children are tagged with a wristband, with the permission of their parents or caregivers, and their details are documented. 1 or 2 cell phone numbers, contactable cell phone numbers, and possibly even an address. Children tend to stray or become anxious in an unfamiliar environment, and the program thus reduces the stress of both the kid and the parent in adverse situations. Last year, 11 children were reunited with their parents, and over the last weekend, 7 were reunited. So I do urge parents again, the overall responsibility of your kids are with you. But we, as the City of Cape Town, we encourage you, when you do go to our beaches, please find our Identity Kits staff members and enroll your child as soon as you get to the beach.
Absolutely. Well, MMC, thank you so much for your time and talking to us this morning.